He's acting different now, but can she trust it without getting hurt again? He's calmer. He listens. He follows through. And this time, it looks real. But her body still flinches because her nervous system remembers the old version. New actions don't erase old damage. The memory still lives in the room.
I need that credit right now because...
And on his side, he wants the trust back fast because he feels like he's trying.
I get why you're cautious.
Real correction sounds like, I get why you're cautious. I'll be steady anyway. She's torn. Hope wants to lean in, and protection refuses to collapse again. Because trust isn't free after repeated hurt. It costs energy, peace, and risk. So she tests something small. I need a slow pace, no pressure. And this is the moment that matters. Does he respect it, or punish her for it? Repair doesn't rush healing. Pressure is just control wearing a nicer face. If he stays steady, she can receive, slowly, without betraying her boundaries. Acceptance isn't pretending the past didn't happen. It's observing change while staying safe. Then a trigger hits, and her fear shows up, even though he's been better. The real test is his response. Can he stay accountable without defensiveness or blame? Because real change isn't a good week. It's consistency over time. He can be changing, and she can still need time. Both can be true. Love after damage grows through patience, truth, and steady behavior, not pressure.
It's good to just slow down sometimes.
If you're in this middle space, watch the Apologies playlist, because real repair is proven in what stays consistent.